Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out. And I am here to shout out Miss Frances Verdi, who is our high school cosmetology teacher over at the Neptune Annex. So, not only is Miss Verdi just so passionate about what she does, but she has been really energized and fired up about establishing partnerships with our community members. And recently, she established an amazing partnership with Kenneth Schneider, who is the owner of Evolution Salons in Monmouth County. Kenneth actually came in, he owns 4 salons. He came in to Neptune, spoke to the juniors and seniors. He did a demo on consultation and full haircut, long layer haircut, and he is really excited to work with our students across the district, provide some advanced education on job placement, and really provide professional development for our teachers as well. So we're really excited to be working with Kenneth, and that's all thanks to Miss Verdi. So thank you, Miss Verdi. We appreciate you going above and beyond. Have a great weekend. We appreciate everything you do.